Welcome to 1575 Winville Road, a stunning 2,766 square foot 4-bedroom home with 4 washrooms, and which backs onto a ravine setting within Northeast Pickering's Duffin Heights neighborhood. The double front entry and its transom are accented with scrolled wrought iron inserts and open into a spacious ceramic tiled foyer with 2 coat closets and access from the double-car garage. Off the reception hallway is a powder room and a beautiful oak staircase, while the gorgeous hardwood flooring of the hall flows into the formal entertaining spaces as well as into the family room. And throughout are 9-foot ceilings accentuating the open concept flow of the main level. The formal spaces each have their own distinct atmosphere. There is a sense of intimacy in the dining room, where a contemporary chandelier hangs from its octagonal-shaped tray ceiling, while a soft wall color and natural lighting enhances the living room's warm and inviting aura. Bathed in natural light, the casual entertaining space of the family room receives additional cozy warmth with its gas fireplace. And this room, as well as the kitchen, have large windows to capitalize on the sunny brightness of their west-facing exposure. The walkout from the breakfast area opens onto a raised deck ideal for year-round barbecuing, and which steps down to a premium-sized backyard that has an unobstructed view of the forested ravine setting. Combining the warmth of wood with contemporary finishes, the kitchen showcases abundant cabinetry storage with the addition of a wall pantry, granite counters with bar seating, ceramic flooring, a stainless steel backsplash and double sink, as well as stainless steel appliances including fridge with bottom mount freezer, built-in dishwasher, oven with gas cooktop, and an over-the-range microwave. Showcasing an appealing stone and brick exterior and landscaped with stone interlocking, this home also features an unfinished lower level with large windows and which has wonderful potential for household living space, or with the future installation of a separate side door entry as an in-law suite. In addition, all the window coverings and ceiling electrical light fixtures are included with the home, as well as a garage door opener and remote, and an alarm system with security cameras, monitor, and DVR. A staircase window naturally brightens the upper landing and hallway, and this level features laminate flooring throughout, 4 naturally bright and spacious bedrooms, 3 washrooms, all finished with vanities with quartz counters and undermount basins, a double-sized linen closet, and the convenience of a laundry room with ceramic flooring and front-load washer and dryer. At the hallway's east end are the 3rd and 4th bedrooms, both with vaulted ceilings above their arched windows. The 3rd bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, while the graciously sized 4th bedroom has a spacious double closet, a lovely chandelier, and its own 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes. The main 4-piece washroom has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and at the hallway's west end is the 2nd bedroom, which has a double closet and ravine views. Through a double door entry is the generously sized master bedroom, bathed in bright light from its west-facing exposure and enjoying beautiful views of the backyard and ravine. Showcasing a walk-in closet, as well as his and her double closets, this sun-washed retreat has a relaxing ensuite washroom showcasing ceramic finishes, his and her vanity basins, a soaker tub, and a walk-in shower. Within the catchment area of Valley View and Maple Ridge Public Schools, as well as Pine Ridge Secondary and Dunbarton High Schools, this home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.